English becomes a piece of cake for us if we are well acquainted with its grammatical rules. So, in this video, we are going to talk about indefinite articles a and an. We were taught at school to use a or a with consonants, whereas an with vowels. But does it happen this way? No, it doesn't. That becomes the source of confusion. So, in order to avoid every sort of confusion, this video has been framed for you. So, watch till the end. Both of them convey the same meaning. Both of them are indefinite articles and are used with singular nouns. But where to use a and where to use an? That's a big question. The difference depends upon the sound produced at the beginning of the next word. If the next word begins with a consonant sound, then a or a is used. Look at these illustrations. All these above words start with a consonant sound. That's the reason article a has been used. A hen, a cow, a frog, a bus, a dog, a chair, a truck, a table. In all of these illustrations, consonant sound has been produced in each and every word. Therefore, article a has been used. When the next word starts with a vowel sound, we use the article an. Remember, there are 5 vowels in English. They are a, e, I, o, u. Look at these illustrations now. As apple begins with a sound, which is a vowel sound, so we use the article an before it. Therefore, we say an apple. All these above words begin with vowel sound. An apple, an insect, an orange, an umbrella, an ice cream, an eagle. But we need to be cautious. It is the sound of the letter that is important, not just what is written. We need to accentuate upon the sound produced in the beginning of the word in order to make an apt choice between a and an. For illustration, here we have 2 nouns, hen and hour. We say a hen as it begins with her sound, which is a consonant sound. What would you use with hour? We say an hour. Why? Because hour in this word H is silent. So the first sound that is being produced when we speak this word is a, which is a vowel sound. That's why an hour. Look at the next illustration. An uncle, a union. Why? Both of them begin with the letter U, but there is a variation in the usage of article. An uncle, as a sound is being produced when we speak this word, whereas in union, the beginning of union sounds like U, which is a consonant sound. Therefore, we say a union. This rule applies to all words after a or an, including adjectives, adverbs, and so on. For illustration, what do you put in each of these a or an? A hot day, a red cherry, a pink balloon. We need to see the word that comes immediately after the article. Therefore, in all of these above illustrations, consonant sound is being produced in the beginning. Therefore, article a has been used. Now look at these illustrations. An easy lesson, an interesting book, an amazing day. In all of these illustrations, vowel sound has been produced in the beginning of the word. Therefore, an has been used as an article. Let's practice now. An angle, an MBA, a pen, an owl, an alligator, a cap, a rat, an octopus, a uniform. So, from this video, we can conclude that we are not supposed to check the first letter of the word. Rather, we have to check the sound produced by the first letter of the word. If it produces a vowel sound, then put an. Whereas when it produces a consonant sound, use a. I hope you find this lesson useful. If so, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video. Stay tuned till then. Bye bye.